Okay, we will be online in a second. Hello. Wait. Hello, it's Mecha Sparrow here. Today with another stream because I decided to start streaming again. Let me check my dashboard real quick. Okay, cool. So, got this fantastic, wait, here you go. Got this fantastic chill hop going. We got this fox here with the person sleeping, which is always fun. Okay. Alright. So, I have work at some point very soon, but I did want to get some coding in because, I don't know. I decided that it would be pretty spectacular if I were to do so. And if the stream is terrible, well, I'll just post this on YouTube, because why not? So yesterday, what was I doing? Yesterday I was doing some more development for my roguelike game with Python. And then today, I decided that I was going to go ahead and try to continue working on the dungeon generation. Let me just pull it up on my laptop. Okay. Yeah. Continuing game dev. Cool. Alright. I probably misspelled something, but whatever. It is chill. I am doing something. It's just not visible just yet, but it will be. Ooh boy. Schedule. Schedule would be fun to use. Could be like, yo, hey, I'm gonna be doing this now. Everybody could be like, okay, so you are doing something. I wonder why the stream health is not that good. IDK. It's okay. I'll take this one. This doesn't even have to be HD. This could be 144p. There we go. That might improve it. Maybe not. Okay. So I just got it off my laptop. So what I'll probably do is, since I'll be streaming maybe every day, I'll just record all of it, then I'll just bring it in and edit the hell out of it, and hopefully I'll find something interesting. Or not. It might be completely... None of it might be interesting, but I think I can find at least a couple parts where I'm actually doing something interesting. That's the intention. Okay. I'll just post everything under like, hey, this is raw take number something, raw take number 2. But okay. Alright. Welcome to the stream. If you guys decided to watch the stream, good for you. Okay. Let's see how this goes right now. This goes such that. Oh, fun. Nothing. Let's try that again. Let us try to get this to work. Alright, welcome to the stream, guys. If you are now watching. So far, this is my dungeon thing. Sadly, the tunneling system for this is a little bit wonky, but it gets there. Now it's time to handle the edge cases for that, but this would be in our, what would it be? It'd be in our tunnel system. for now, I'll put this one here. Okay. There we go. So. All the way down here. So we can say, in this case, all right, we are creating a tunnel. So we have vertical one, horizontal, vertical. And for the vertical one, we just have to make sure that it's greater than the point, one of them and the other one, such that I don't know, it just works out fine. So we have the original one, which would be, so given that our x is greater than self.point.y0, so our x value, and our x is less than self.point.2, sure. Then we can say, cool, that means that you can draw walls for your tunnel now. And obviously if you have a wall, you can't walk on it. So that's always fun, and this would go like that. Other one would be vice versa. And so now we got partially a wall, partially not a wall. It's fine for now. What if we did that? Doesn't really make a difference. What if we did okay, so no difference basically. So I'll just put it like this. Alright. So 4 edge cases, I suppose. Well, let's see if that reduces edge cases. Okay, 3 edge cases, because we got to make it connect on those 3 specific ones. It's fine. That's manageable. Our health is very sporadic. That's always fun. Okay, those are handled. The other edge case would probably be plus the dx plus 1. Minus 1. No, that doesn't handle it. I see why now. If we were to do this, we gotta edit it on here. Yeah, this is just a bunch of trial and error at this point, but it's fun. go. So then we could just do something, I think, remember, we could just do something like this. Wait. Okay. Well, that's what you would hope. You would hope that would work, but no, not really. Okay, what about this? Why did the other version not work? Oh, because it was a negative dx and it doesn't know how to solve for that. Does it? It's an edge case. I'll put this as an edge case. Given our current situation, you gotta randomize instead of the t's. We should randomize them like this. Well, I can just copy these. Probably. We'll change them to x values. Left edge to right edge. Left edge to right edge. Hello, hello. Thank you for the subscription. I am building a roguelike game with Python, and it is pretty fun. Well, it's pretty interesting. I'll put it that way. Let's see. And then we got this wonderful edge case, but it partially works, so we are on good footing. Partially. So, key part is whenever it has that weird tunneling system. Okay, whenever it has that weird tunneling system. Oh, great. Okay. When it has that weird thing where it has a block in the center, what's essentially happening is the dx value is going below. So if I were to put this one here, say, hey, if the dx is greater than 0, then we should not encounter that situation. However, we are stuck with a new situation. If I can find it, well, we're stuck with a slightly new situation where when it does encounter a negative, it doesn't really know what to do. Okay, let's see this. Alright, that's a 0, that's a 3, that's a negative 3. See, when it encounters this situation, when it's a negative 3 on the dx interval here, what that essentially means is that one point is further down to the other one than the other one. What essentially that means is that it just has no idea what to do. So, and then, I mean, there's a couple ways of working it out. I think really it would go down to, okay, we have, I don't know how to put it. Well, if it's a negative, we gotta reverse it somehow to make it work. Because, well, negative, negative, negative. How can this go? We'll see. We did tell it to go in the opposite direction. What if we don't tell it to do anything? that. Doesn't do anything yet. Okay. We do this. Going in the opposite direction. How can we go? If we have a dx, how about this? We can't go backwards because it'll stop drawing very, very quickly. Because it goes from 0 to dx, minus 1, equals 1. Well, we can do absolute, what if we did this? Would that change anything? Well, it kind of did. Haha. I did not actually expect that to work. Okay, I took the absolute value and now it can handle negative situations. Really interesting. Okay. But then, so this is on the chance that it's like, hey, you're going from here to here, draw those walls. Right now it's not doing that. I guess. Given that its x is less than self, well, alright. If the dx is greater than 0, attempt this. Right. So we can just put this here. Okay. So it works for that case, but for the other case, we're gonna have to try something a little bit different here. I'm gonna have to see. So for the other case, this still follows, but we would say that we are less than this one, and then greater than equal to this one. Negative situation. What about, okay, can we have a larger negative situation? That's a positive situation. What about also negative situation? Negative situations aren't that big. That's a 0 situation. Okay, so essentially, so now we have a couple more edge cases that we need to solve again, like last time. All right, 4 edge cases like last time. This was given that we had these were all given. We had a positive situation. Let's do this. See how it breaks. Okay, let's force. I guess we can force it. Force a situation like that. You can say let's have one be 10, one be -5. Well, that's a little bit too much. One should not even be. Okay, what about that? Shift it. What about this one? Okay, that should be workable for our edge cases. Edge cases. Okay, cool. We just have to shift this one down. I would say we'd shift this one to the right. Cool, we handled those. Take that. Perfect. I think that handles all our edge cases. So I'm gonna put that into the Git repository because that was definitely good on the tunnel. Good on vertical tunnel. All right. Also, if you guys feel like it, you know, feel free to ask me questions in the chat and I'll answer you guys, because, you know, you guys might want to actually know what the code actually is doing. Maybe, I'm not sure, but all right. So this one works, but what about, we encountered this one, which was our edge case. So I'll put, okay, that's fine. And that was our edge case. If we look back, I would argue, let's see. This is for a horizontal tunnel, and the other one's for vertical. I think I might want to split them into two functions, but for the sake of time right now, because I'll refine it maybe later. I'll look into that later. First off, this should just be greater. In regards to just when it's 0, you don't even have to worry about a midway point. But LF, if it is less than 0, then we know it's a negative situation. So let's see if our edge case is at. Oh, it is. How wonderful. Now, what if we do the absolute value? Does that solve our issue? Partially. I'm not even doing math here, and it somehow works. I am actually quite enthralled right now. For some reason, I'm very enthralled. So I think we can actually pull that off right before I actually have to head down to work. Okay. Essentially, so we definitely know that this case goes here. And then the other one follows a very similar suit. And this is our other case. Okay, Okay, and then we have 4 edge cases again, like last time. So we will shift these over to the right. Hello, new viewers, if you're viewing. I'm building a roguelike with the Python and this engine. Not really an engine, but this library called libtcode, I think that's what it's called. And right now I'm just handling the tunnel generation. So essentially what that means is it basically is connecting the rooms. That's essentially what it does. If you are curious about what I'm doing, feel free to ask questions and I will answer them as I see them come up on chat. If my audio, well, my audio is adequate, I believe. Alright. I think this would go to the left. There we go. So now we solve the edge case. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Hey, that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy about that. Okay, I gotta save that. Alright, I'm gonna simplify this down because we have 2 situations and I'm just gonna draw that, put it out like this. So we'll just do draw v tunnel. This will take in a map. So we'll do draw h tunnel. This will take in a map again. That way I can just be like, cool. Okay. I'll just do. Well, it's okay. Oh, I just want to put that. For how long have you been programming? I've been programming for about 7 years, so since I've been 10. So I'm 17 now. Programming is fun. Yes. Okay. Let's put that here. So this is a H tunnel. Thank you for the question, good sir. Okay, let's see. Alright, there you go. Okay, still works. Code is simplified down a bit. best part is those tunnels are, well, except for the, did I hard code one of them? I don't know. Did I? Wait. No. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Best part, do you plan on studying computer science? Yes, I do plan on studying computer science next year when I go off to college. That is the plan. And because high school is really fun, I'm just going to be coding every day, and I'm going to publish on YouTube, and I'm going to publish on Twitch, because why not? Also, I have a part-time job where I teach little kids how to code, so I'm going to have to head over to there pretty quick, and I got to, I'll have to dash there. But yes, computer science, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a minor. I'm definitely not going to do dual major because I need that time to code. I need that time, you know. So it's fun. I love it. I love building games. That's what I love the most out of all the stuff with computer science. Okay. Simplified. Well, I guess I would say organized. Organized tunnel code structure. If I was not hard coding, how do I put it? If I wasn't speed coding this, am I speed coding this? Nah. I guess I could find some sort of pattern, because on the X, Y, but I'd rather have this as two separate functions, because why not? I only have 2 edge cases, so I don't have to worry about the other stuff. I think I can, I'll look at that later. Okay, any other final questions before I gotta head down to work? Because I have a minute before I gotta leave. And I think I think if I'm not incorrect, this stream should be archived. Okay. Nah. Well, I gotta go to work. So that was my streaming. I might stream tonight. I'm not too sure. I'll definitely put some of the stuff on YouTube. And then I guess I'll update whoever wants to know. If they want, I'll probably update on like whatever. Okay, awesome. Be sure to subscribe because I plan on streaming. I'm gonna try to stream daily. That's my plan. I don't know how that'll go. Okay. Alright. See you guys, everyone. Please be sure to subscribe if you found this interesting.